What? All it says is that Xbox bought Activision and Blizzard. Who? What? This nigga's cheating.
What up, folks? Tis RickWa, and for this video's reaction, I will be reacting to how Sony reacted to Microsoft after buying Activision / Blizzard by MightyKeef. I gotta say, this definitely is gonna be interesting, because when I saw the news about all this drop, I was like, what? I was like, oh no. Oh man, been seeing the memes. I'm just like, oh boy. Hold on a moment, gonna switch to the green screen camera real quick. Alright, there we go. Now, before I get started with this video's reaction, I'd like to give a very special thank you to everyone for the positive support, from watching my videos to liking my videos, for the positive comments on my videos, and especially to those who have subscribed to my channel, and make sure to smack that bell button so you know when it is I'm putting new content onto my reaction channel. Really appreciate the support thus far, and going forward. Y'all are awesome, folks. I know I did, 2 thumbs up twice, but again, we all make silly mistakes. Do be like that. But either way, without further ado, let's get started, shall we?
I am MightyKeef. Gentlemen, I believe a toast is in order.
Let's go, baby.
A toast, for sure. And here's to 2022. 2022 it will be, and boy do I like the word 2022 because it has a lot of twos. You know what else has a lot of twos? Horizon 2, God of War 2. Sony's gonna have a lot of twos. We can put out whatever we want. Hell, we might even put out KOTOR remake by the end of the year. Why not? And that was an Xbox exclusive at one point. That's funny. Not anymore. He's funny. I love it here. I love it here. KOTOR used to be an exclusive. What does Xbox have now? Huh? Nothing. They have Starfield at the end of the year, and then what? Ass nuggets. They got ass nuggets. Sorry. What, Jim? I told you to not bother me while I'm in my gloating mood.
Sorry, it's just...
Oof.
I think you need to take a look at this.
Oh. Oh boy. His reaction is not gonna be a good one. He might laugh, or he might be upset. Let's see what happens, shall we?
What's the problem? This is something big. What? All it says is that Xbox bought Activision and Blizzard. Who? What? This nigga's cheating.
Yo!
So your phone is ringing. I hear the phone, Jim.
Oh, oof.
What?
It was fun making fun of me all these years, wasn't it? Who's laughing now?
Don't answer that. It's rhetorical.
Because the answer is me. I'm laughing. How'd you even get this number? Don't ever ask me how I'm doing stuff or how I'm getting stuff. I can do whatever I want. I'm Microsoft. I make computers. Bitch.
So what? Am I supposed to care? Huh? You own Blizzard? So? Overwatch and World of Warcraft have been trash for years.
Okay, but what about Overwatch 2, huh? What about World of Warcraft 2, huh?
World of Warcraft 2? You can't do that. Can you do that?
Oh man, I don't know, sir. This shit is crazy.
For years, my library consisted of trash. Halo, Fable, Gears of War, and trash. But now, my library consists of everything. You'll never have Spider-Man! You think I give a damn about Spider-Man? Bruh, Spider-Man got all these powers, throwing tractors through buildings, and he can't even save his Uncle Ben.
Ooh!
Huh?
Oof! Hey, yo! What? Oof! Just a massive oof! Damn! That's hilarious. Damn, Microsoft throwing all the shade in this. Damn!
What do you think I want Spider-Man for? We're Sony. We've been running this thing from the jump. And y'all never gonna beat us. Beat you? Have you seen my bank account, nigga? I don't need to beat you. I just need to buy you.
Damn!
Boy, moolah, cash, Benjamins, dollars. I got stacks on stacks, nigga. Paper, bread, bucks, cheddar, loot. I got dough, coins, bands on bands. I got cabbage, guap, racks on racks, turkey, squid, shekels. Okay, we get it. You're rich. We got you. Loud and clear. Keep your God of War, your Horizon, and your Spider-Mans. All in the world and soon enough. Xbox out. Hey guys, this is just a quick thank you for sticking with me through all these years. I know last year I didn't produce a...
I think that's the end of the video with that. But let's see. Yep. That's basically the end of the video. Wow. That was wildin'. Jeez Louise. He said he got stacks on stacks on stacks on stacks on paper, on guap, on cheddar, on stacks. Oh, yo, hold on a moment. Let me switch to the regular screen. Man. But when that one scene when like the camera image got like all distorted for I think that was meant to be the Sony CEO in that picture or in that scene, but who was like on the phone with Microsoft. But when the camera image got all distorted like that, yo, that was hilarious. He's like, whoa, what? Oh, yo, man. Fun fact, I used to play on Xbox 360, but then I switched over to PS4 when Street Fighter V came out, and I play on an Xbox style controller anyways for fighting games. To say the least. But off topic from the video itself, I'm taking a break from fighting games and the FGC for a while, so kind of just focus on self-growth and self-improvement related ordeals for myself. So yeah, but besides that, moving on to the main topic at hand, which is the reaction or the video that I reacted to. Whew, man, that whole situation was a doozy. But yeah, speaking of twos, definitely excited for when more stuff for the new Spider-Man game comes out. So definitely can't wait for that. But either way, if you enjoy this content, please be sure to leave a like, leave a positive comment. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and be sure to smack that bell button so then you know what it is. I'm posting new content onto my reaction channel. Until the next reaction video, folks, peace out.